What's up, Panda Parade? Kurraku0 here, bringing you a new VR chat tutorial. If you missed the last video on building the model for your world in Blender, you can check out that tutorial as well, as this is a start to finish series that we're going to keep building upon as we go. This video is the second in my start to finish series on VR Chat Udon world building. In today's video, we'll be setting up Unity for Udon world building and importing our model that we made in Blender. Little self-plug before we get started, I have made a VR chat world called the Panda Den that we will be doing a roleplay in. If you're interested in getting in on that, join my Discord for more information. The link is in the description below. I also stream on Twitch over at twitch.tv/Kurraku0. The link is also in the description below. Drop me a follow over there. I stream on Saturday and Sundays, and I like to chat with viewers, and it's a fun time for everyone. Alright, so before we even get started, we need to make sure we have the correct version of Unity and the VR Chat SDK. And for Udon, you're going to want SDK3. So if you go to vrchat.com and click the downloads link here, it will bring you to this page. And when you click on download Unity, it will take you to the VR chat setting up the SDK. And if you click on the current version of Unity, you'll see that you need Unity 2018.4.20 F1. And clicking on that, you'll see the download page here. So you're going to go ahead and click on download for that. I will have a link in the description for you guys to be able to download Unity from there. The other thing that you're going to need is the SDK, and if you see under VR Chat SDK3, there is download SDK3 worlds and SDK3 avatars. And of course, we are world building, so we're going to need SDK worlds. So you'll click on that and you'll be able to download that as well. Now, when we first open Unity, yours will be blank. You might have to register your Unity account in Unity Hub, but that's pretty easy, and then you'll install the correct version of Unity from there. So what we're going to do is, you probably won't have any projects here. Of course, I have a lot that I've been working on, but we're going to go ahead and click New, and we're going to call this Test World. I'm going to go ahead and create project. You can call your project whatever you want to call it. It is your world that you're building after all, but this will not be the final name in VR chat, and we'll go over that in the later tutorials. So you just gotta give it a minute. It will take some time to load, but this is normal. Alright, and once Unity has loaded up, you have your scene here. A quick overview of Unity, you'll be in the scene mode that we're going to be editing in. So if you, in this little picture here where you can see everything, if you right click, you can pan. So it's a lot different from Blender. This one, you're going to right click and to pan up and down and move your mouse left and right to move left and right. And if you want to actually move up and down, you'll use the middle mouse button to move up and down. And that's pretty much the basics of moving stuff around in Unity. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is import the SDK that you downloaded. So what you'll go down to here, you'll see Assets. You're going to right click on that. Import Package, click Custom Package. After you click on that, it will take you to your file explorer. So just navigate to the place where you downloaded that. Alright, so you see I found my VRC SDK3 world. We have that, and we're just going to click Open. And it's going to take a little bit again, but it's going to go ahead and import the SDK for us. Alright, this box is going to pop up here. You'll just click on Import. Alright, so that will take a minute or 5 to load up, but after it's all done loading up, you'll see that you have these new folders down here. So everything is in here from the SDK now. Now what you're going to do is import your model in here. So you just open up your file explorer, find wherever you saved it, and then you're just going to take that world, the 3D object, and drag it, drop it in here in the assets. And there we go. Now we have it in here. Now all we gotta do is take it and drag it in here. As we drag and drop everything in here, there are no textures on it as we had in Blender, but that's okay. In a later tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to put those textures and put them on here as well. So that's basically it. That's how you get that model that we made in Blender over here into Unity. And that's how you set up the SDK. I'm Kurraku0. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial for importing those textures. Bye!